Hi everyone! In this program, I'll be showing you how nested loops work in Python. This code uses two for loops, one inside another, to display all the combinations of the variables I and j from 1 to 3. So let's go! So first, we need to find the PyCharm app. And then right-click the project 1, new, and Python file, and put problem number 25. After that, we need to put the code of the problem number 25. And now, for the first line,
code for problem number 25.
The outer loop. It means I will have the value 1, 2, and 3. And now, let's move on to the second line. For second line, this is the inner loop for each value. So, I and j. So, we'll loop through 1, 2, 3. And the third line displays the current values of I and j using format string literals f string.
And now let's try to run this code if it works.
Represent prints a separator line after both loops finish executing. So that's the final output of the code. Bye-bye!